Welcome to the Hardware Engineer Career Guide. In this video, we'll explore what hardware engineers do, the skills they need, and why this could be an exciting career path for you. Hardware engineers design and test the physical components that make computers and electronic devices work. This includes circuit boards, processors, and all the physical hardware that powers our technology. Hardware engineers have four main areas of responsibility. First, design and development, which involves creating circuit board layouts, designing processor architecture, managing power systems, and ensuring proper thermal management. Second, prototyping and testing, where engineers build prototypes, run functional tests, analyze performance, and diagnose failures. Third, optimization, which means improving speed, increasing power efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing reliability. Fourth, compliance and quality, ensuring designs meet industry standards, pass safety certifications, maintain quality assurance, and are properly documented. To succeed as a hardware engineer, you need three categories of skills. Technical skills include circuit design, PCB layout, microcontroller programming, and signal integrity analysis. You should learn languages like VHDL, Verilog, CAD software, SPICE simulation, and C++. Engineering knowledge covers electronics, physics, thermodynamics, power systems, and digital design fundamentals. You'll need to understand analog design, digital logic, power electronics, EMI and EMC, and thermal analysis. Finally, soft skills are equally important. These include problem solving, attention to detail, teamwork, documentation, and clear communication. Being able to think critically, debug effectively, collaborate with others, and document your work are essential for success. A typical hardware engineer career follows a progression. At entry level, within 0 to 2 years, you'll be a junior hardware engineer learning CAD tools, assisting with design, and conducting prototype testing. In the mid-level stage, spanning 2 to 5 years, you become a hardware engineer leading circuit design, managing small projects, and mentoring junior team members. At senior level, between 5 to 10 years, you advance to senior hardware engineer, driving architecture decisions, managing teams, and overseeing product development. Finally, with 10 or more years of experience, you can move into leadership roles as an engineering manager or director, handling strategic planning, budget management, and organizational leadership. Hardware engineers work with specialized software and programming languages. For design software, you'll use Altium Designer, Eagle CAD, KiCad, or Cadence Allegro for creating circuit board layouts and schematics. Simulation tools like SPICE, LT-SPICE, ModelSim, and ANSYS help you test designs before building physical prototypes. Programming languages are essential too. VHDL and Verilog are used for hardware description and digital design. C and C++ are used for embedded systems and microcontroller programming. Python is increasingly popular for scripting, automation, and data analysis in hardware projects. The hardware design process follows a structured approach with four main stages. First is requirements and planning, where you define specifications, set performance targets, establish power budgets, and identify physical constraints. This stage involves careful planning and resource allocation. Second is schematic design, creating electrical schematics, selecting appropriate components, and defining how signals flow through the circuit. Signal integrity is critical at this stage. Third is layout and prototyping, where you design the PCB layout, route signals on the board, perform thermal analysis, and build physical prototypes to test your designs. Fourth and final is testing and validation, performing functional tests, verifying performance meets specifications, running stress tests, and ensuring compliance with industry standards. Hardware engineers can specialize in different areas based on their interests. Embedded systems engineers design microcontroller and embedded device hardware, working on IoT devices, automotive systems, and wearable technology. Computer architecture specialists focus on designing processors, memory systems, and cache hierarchies, working on CPU design, memory optimization, and performance tuning. Power electronics engineers specialize in power supply design and energy management, handling power conversion, battery management, and thermal control. Radio frequency and analog engineers design wireless communication and analog signal circuits, working with signal processing, wireless protocols, and impedance matching. Hardware engineers are needed across numerous industries. In computing, you design CPUs, GPUs, and computer systems for personal computers, data centers, and gaming systems. Consumer electronics offers opportunities in smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. The automotive industry needs hardware engineers for engine control units, infotainment systems, and autonomous driving technology. Healthcare requires medical device hardware design for diagnostic equipment, patient monitoring systems, and implantable devices. Aerospace and defense needs critical systems for avionics, radar technology, and satellite hardware. Industrial IoT focuses on sensors, controllers, and automation systems for manufacturing and predictive maintenance. Hardware engineering comes with significant challenges. Thermal management is critical because high-power components generate heat that must be dissipated to prevent failure and maintain performance. Timing and signal integrity require ensuring signals propagate correctly at high speeds without interference or degradation. Cost optimization means balancing performance requirements against manufacturing costs and component expenses, which is crucial for product viability. Power consumption challenges involve designing efficient systems that minimize power draw while meeting performance targets. Testing and debugging can be complex and time-consuming, as hardware issues are often difficult to identify and fix. Compliance and standards mean meeting regulatory requirements, safety certifications, and industry-specific standards across different markets. Hardware engineering offers compelling reasons to pursue this career. Impact and innovation allow you to create physical products that shape technology and improve lives globally. You solve real-world problems and drive technological advancement while seeing tangible results from your work. Career stability is strong, with high market demand, competitive compensation, and diverse job opportunities across industries. The intellectual challenge attracts people who love complex problem-solving and require deep technical knowledge combined with creativity. Finally, growth potential is excellent. You have clear advancement paths from junior engineer to leadership positions, opportunities to specialize in different areas, and continuous professional development throughout your career. Hardware engineering is a rewarding field for those who enjoy building things that matter.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.